You're wasting hours programming your MIDI by hand, and it still sounds flat. Here's one tool in Ableton Live 12 that fixes this fast: Arpeggiate Transformation. Most people skip it because it's buried in the transform menu, but it turns static MIDI chords into rhythm and motion with one click. Just select any chord in your clip, pick from 18 styles like up, down, converge, play order, or random, and start shaping movement. Use the distance setting to control how far each step jumps. Want upward motion? Set it to +1. If you want the motion to follow a scale rather than semitones, enable the clip scale first. Then set the number of steps you want the arpeggio to follow, and dial in the rate and gate to control groove and feel. Rate controls the space between notes, like 1/8 or 1/16, and gate sets how long each note lasts. Try 30% for short, plucky hits, or 120% for a legato line that flows. And here's what makes this different from the arpeggiator effect. The transformation writes directly into the MIDI. You're not using a plugin. There's no latency. No need to bounce to audio. You can move the notes, tweak them, or keep building. Total control. Try it once. It's addictive. Want more tips like this? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you a link to our free Live 12 tools and walkthroughs.